Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning because most of the people are curious to learn this language. They are willing to speak this language. The reason might be that they have some kind of talent and they are willing to promote their talent on international level, or they have some kind of business doing and they want to promote their business on international level, or they are willing to travel around the world, and this might be the reason they are willing to speak the English language. There are so many other reasons, but I think that learning English is important in present era because right now the world has become the global village. We are not limited to one place or area. Social media has given us a great opportunity to spread our talent on international level. So I think that when we have the platform, then we should promote our talent on international level. We should not keep our talent on a limited level. If we don't promote our talent on international level, then I think that we would get less benefits. Such as you are doing some kind of business in your own country, own area. But your business is of the kind that it should be promoted on international level. But if you don't know the English language, you are not able to communicate with other business communities of the world. If you know the English language, then this will be a benefit for you to communicate with others. Another example, if you are an actor, you are doing your acting in your own country, in your national language. Your talent is limited to your country or your area or your place. But if you know the English language, you can get chance in other international projects, such as in Hollywood or other British movies or plays. So I think that for promoting your talent, common language is required. No matter wherever you go, for example, your national language is different and you are willing to go to another country where the national language is different. Your national language and their national language are different. You are getting chance to work in that national language you are not familiar with. But if you know the English language, this is the common language, you can communicate with others. You can make the translation of that language in English or in your own, and through communicating, you are able to do your work in that language. Otherwise, you will miss the chance, great chance. So when you are curious to learn the things, then I think hard work is required. If you are a beginner, you are starting right now you have seen that social media is providing the opportunity to show your talent on international level, but you have not learned English language. Right now you are willing to improve this language. So I think the age does not matter. No matter what your age is, start now. You can learn the English language because older people can learn the things very easily than the youngers, because they would do their work with great interest and enthusiasm, because in older age they are willing to get some things. So they know the difficulties of life, experience of life, and right now they don't have any kind of tension. And when they would start learning English language, whatever the sentence they would learn, they would understand the depth of that sentence, because they have seen the practical experiences of life. So when children learn, they just learn. They have no experience of practical life. So they just, I think, cram, they memorize the sentences. But the older people not cram or memorize, they understand deeply. So I think that age does not matter if you want to learn any kind of language. I have read some kind of articles that an old man of 80 years started learning English language, and he was able to learn the language. Imagine 80 years of age. If you are above 50, if you are above 40, you are willing to improve this language, you are willing to learn English language, I think this is the right time. Start now. But one thing is very necessary, that is the interest, that is the dedication, that is the devotion. If you are inspired that you should learn the English language, then I think you should learn this language with great interest and with great devotion. If you lack interest or dedication or devotion, then you will quit very soon. And I think that if you have a goal, you have set a goal in front of you that after learning this language you will achieve some kind of goals, then I think that this goal will boost you to do more hard work, to do more struggle, to learn the English language, to improve the English language. So I think that if you want to improve English language, you will have to do the 4 things. First, you will have to listen English language videos or podcast. Then you will also have to do some kind of reading work, because listening is important, then reading is also important, writing is also important. Most important is listening. And right now you can get help from social media. Where there you find any kind of difficulty while learning the English language, social media is in your hand. You can get help. There are a lot of videos uploaded on YouTube, on other mediums of social media. You can get help. Whatever query comes in your mind, you can search that query on social media. And you will have to work on your listening power. Then you will have to do struggle to improve your reading skills. Then you will have to do a lot of struggles to improve your writing skills. And speaking skills is very necessary, and you want to achieve your speaking skills. But when you are doing struggle of reading, listening, writing, with these 3 struggles, you will have to do the practice of speaking on daily basis. Because if you master listening, you can listen. If you reading some kind of articles, you can understand. You can also write the English language. But if you don't speak, you are not able to speak the language. For speaking, you will have to, speaking comes by speaking. When you will speak, then you will be able to pronounce or utter words or sentences in proper way. Otherwise, if you are improving or other things, but you are not doing the practice of speaking, this will be the bad impact on your all struggles. So speak on daily basis, spare some time on daily basis and speak. No matter you are speaking wrong or broken English, but open your mouth and try to speak the language. In this way, gradually and slowly you will improve, and in this way you will also get rid of hesitation, because some people have the habit of feeling the hesitation that if I speak, perhaps others will notice me, others will judge me. And I think that when you will keep in your mind that this is the language you are learning, this is not your first language, this is the second language you are trying to improve, and there are chances of mistakes, because if you make mistakes in your national language, then it's bad. But when you make mistakes in the language you are learning, because others know that you are not master of this language, you are just trying to improve, and the good learners or good speakers would appreciate you, would encourage you. Only those people laugh who can't do anything, who don't have ability to improve or learn things. This is their duty, to laugh at others, to discourage them. Don't get discouraged. Empower yourself. Speak English language. One day you will speak very fluent English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other subjects. Till then, allow me. And before leaving, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.